Hi, yes. Next topic is Home tab. Home tab first topic is clipboard. Clipboard has cut, copy, paste, paste special and format painter. Cut. Shortcut key Control X. Copy Control C. Paste Control V. Cut. Cut is used to remove the selected text. For example, click on the cut. Another option, clipboard has the cut option. Third one, Control X. Here I am 6 lines of the matter. Cut second line of the matter. Select the matter. Go to the clipboard option. Then cut. Now 5 lines only. My matter is less than the 5 lines. This is the cut. In the keyboard, how to cut it? Control X. Now my matter is 4 lines. Next one, copy. Copy the selected text and paste on clipboard. For example, copy. Click on the copy here and clipboard option, copy option is there. Next one, Control C. Keyboard action, Control C. Select the paragraph. Click the copy in clipboard tab. Where you wanted, same matter, cursor blinking on there. Click paste. Your matter is increased in the 14 lines. This is copy. In the keyboard action, copy, selected paragraph, Control C. Control C. Paste. Control V. Your matter is increased in 28 lines. This is the copy. Next one, paste. Select the paste here. What is the use of paste? Paste is the content of clipboard, that is cut and paste before. Cut and paste before. Where you want the paste before, first you cut the matter. In the clipboard, directly press the paste button. Select the paragraph. Cut. My paragraph less than the 14 lines. Click the directly in clipboard option, paste button. Paste. My matter is increased. Paste option. Now paste special. Paste is feature that lets user cut copy item from the document, transfer then the another. Cut shortcut Control Alt V. Select the paste special here. After select to the where you want the pasting on that. Click the OK. Next topic, last topic in this video, format painter is easy to when you want to the formatting from one item to the another. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.